Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Well, our Keurig coffee maker has an issue. It dispenses a lot more water or coffee than it should. And today I am going to fix it. Now, typically, the problem is because of scale formed inside the coffee maker. So we need to do a descaling process. And all you need is just some vinegar, regular full grade vinegar. So instead of adding water into the tank, I am going to add vinegar. Look, the tank is empty right now. I'm going to open up the vinegar and then I'm going to pour right into it, a lot of it. Okay, that should be good enough. And I'm going to turn it on. I don't have any coffee pot inside, but I am going to close it and I'm going to select the smallest one. And you will see it will produce a tons more than what it should do when we pick small. So let's close it. I'm going to pick small and we'll look. Right? Vinegar is coming out. And it smells because it's hot vinegar, obviously. And you probably want to cycle through the small, the medium size, and the big, but do it with small first. And I will show you how much is small at the moment. I guess you already see the problem. This is not small at all. This is probably the biggest size, but that's the problem. Wow. So the so-called small is done. And look, this is how much it is. In fact, I will get a measuring cup and show you. Okay, my measuring cup is old, but it works, I hope. That is something like 11 ounce probably. So definitely not a typical small cup. Anyhow, let's do a medium size. The medium size is done, and let's see how much it is. Hey, it's less than what the small cup tells us, so we make progress. Now let's do the big cup. So this is the big cup. Let's see. Yeah, that's probably about right. It was about the same as the smallest cup just now. So definitely make progress. Well, I guess I have too much vinegar inside. I'm going to use it up. So I'm going to go back to the smallest one. Now let's look. Hey, that looked pretty good. Way less than just now. And maybe about 7 or 8 ounces. Okay, so that should be it. I still have some more inside I'm going to run through, but anyway, that should be it. Now, of course, you want to rinse through the cycle with clean water. Otherwise, your coffee will taste nasty, but that should fix it. And it obviously does look like it made great progress. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If so though, I hope that you can like this video or even better, subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your coffee. Bye-bye.